Assalamu alaikum students of class 3. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. In our previous lecture, we studied about Unit 9 Life Cycle of a Flowering Plant. Today we'll do the copy work and book work of that unit. So first, take out your copies, make a title page of Unit 9 Life Cycle of a Flowering Plant and write the heading of question answers. Question number 1. What is grafting? Answer. Grafting is a form of production in which parts of two young plants are joined together by artificial means. Okay, after writing this question, write the heading of true and false and write number 1. The sunflower is a flowering plant. True or false? Yes, it's true. A seed takes 3 to 15 days to germinate. No, it's false. A seed takes 2 to 10 days to germinate. Number 3. A tiny plant grows from its seed. True. Okay, let's start the book work. Open page 57, exercise B, choose and write the correct option. Number 1. A seed takes dash days to germinate. 2 to 10, 2 to 5 or 10 to 20. Yes, it's 2 to 10. Tick on the right option and write it in the blank. Number 2. The seeds of a sunflower plant are formed in its dash, stem, leaf, flower. Yes, it's flower. Number 3. A bud develops into a dash, fruit, flower or a stem. A bud develops into a flower. Number 4. Dash is an artificial form of production in which parts of two young plants are joined together. Grafting, cultivation or germination. What is the right option? Yes, it's grafting. Okay, now open page 56 and this is your homework to complete exercise. Work it out. Illustrate the life cycle of a sunflower plant from a seed to a mature plant. You can take help from page 52 to complete this life cycle of a sunflower plant. Okay, note down the homework. Do question answers and true false in your copies and page 56 and 57 in your book.